Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to fund a Remitly account. To fund your Remitly account, you have several options depending on the country you are sending from and the available funding methods supported by Remitly. So here's how you can easily fund your account using different methods. Launch Open Remitly application from your app drawer first. To get started, make sure that you're signed into your account, and once you're in the main home page, tap on the Manage button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you do that, you will end up in this page from where you will need to tap on Payment Methods. Tap the Add button at the top right corner of Payment Methods and then enter your card information in the text box. Enter your card number first and then enter the expiry date, security code that is available for your card. Now, enter the name that appears on the card you are trying to link. If you've got a nickname for the card, you can enter it inside Card Nickname option. Once you are done entering the information, click Save, and you will be able to fund your Remitly account using debit or credit card. You can also tap on the Send button at the bottom and tap on one of your recipient or create a new recipient you'd like to send the money to, and then enter the sender's detail, that means your details, in the text boxes. Tap on Continue once done and enter the rest of the information such as the sender's postcode, street address, the town's name, and much more. Now, under the Payment Methods section, you can choose one of the payment methods you'd like to use in order to fund your account. You can choose between Add New Card, Apple Pay, or Pay with Bank Account instead. Select whether you like to pay with a bank transfer or with debit or credit card, and follow through the instructions in order to fund your account with a bank or your credit or debit card. Once you follow through the instructions shown on your screen, you will be able to fund your Remitly account. The process will also include logging into your bank account or any other payment methods that you've selected. So those were some of the easiest methods you can follow to fund your Remitly account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.